Hi guys, this is Calvin. Welcome back. This is day 2 of our Let's Do It challenge. You can do it. Learn to trade Kickstarter. Now I hope you guys had a great time with yesterday's challenge. Pretty simple, getting you into the basics of how trading goes and the market goes. We ended with that challenge yesterday with you receiving the link to XM, which is a trading platform for you to get your demo software. Today I'm going to go over the process of downloading, registering and downloading your software so it's ready to use, and tomorrow we can dive into using the platform. Okay guys, here we go. I'm going to be pretty quick. There's a lot to pack in, but just keep going over the video if you get lost along the way. Thank you guys, awesome stuff. Right, so when you log into XM, it should look a bit like this. So you should end up with the registration page looking a bit like this, guys. So I'm just going to scroll it across so you can see. I've actually downloaded it already, but the XM, you should see the XM sign, and you should end up being able to, so here's your XM, and you should be able to go to the demo, right? What you will see when you get there is this page. You'll see this page. Let's see if I can make it small enough for you to see. Right, you should see this page. Okay, here we go. Right, so you should see the home page like this, MetaTrader 5, and then you should see the chance to open an account. Yes, so what you want to be doing is opening a demo account. Make sure it is a demo account that you choose to open. Okay guys, right, once you've hit the demo account, you'll come across the form to fill out. This is what the form should look like, guys. So the demo account registration, you want to be seeing this page. So just fill out your name, surname, country of residence, pretty simple stuff there. Yeah, next part of it, further down, you'll see preferred language. Click on the language of your choice. Then trading account details, MT5, Forex, CFDs, Euro, account currency base. I've got Euro in here. Put whatever you want your currency to be in. You can put it in GB, pounds or US dollars, whichever you choose. And then your investment amount, I've put 3,000 here. Your standard lot size, that's your contract sizes when you're trading, is 100,000, which is a one lot standard size. The leverage we talked about yesterday, which allows you to buy the contract, which is 100,000 at a reduced price. So here now, this is saying 1 to 30 leverage, which means that for every pound you have, you can purchase £30 worth of stock or whatever the product is. So if you now, we've chosen 3,000 as an investment amount. We could literally choose 100,000 or 1,000, whatever we want. I've chosen 3,000. Doesn't need to choose. You don't need to choose 100,000 just because it's there. It's not real money, but the smaller the amount, the more realistic the trading becomes, because it then matches your real money in terms of your feelings when you're trading. So now you will have the ability to trade 30 times this 3,000 amount because of the leverage. Okay guys, I hope you're with me so far. The next part of the form, you have your investment amount we've just done. You have your account password. Just put in a password, make up a password that you can remember, follow the instructions, 8 to 15 symbols, mixture of capital letters, normal letters and numbers. Just make up any password. You don't have to tick I agree to receive all the products in that. Then click open the demo account, and then you will get an email for you to confirm your email address. You do that, and then you will get the next stage. You'll get you'll get this page here saying congratulations on opening your demo account, and the next steps is to confirm your email address, and then what happens after that, guys? Confirm your email address, download the software. So we go here, we download the MT5 software. We get to this page. So what we do, we go to platforms. When we're ready to download, we go to platforms, click on platforms, and we'll see MT5 for PC. Click on there. Or if you want it on your phone, you'll have to look for the one for your phone, and then hit the download button. Once you've done that, follow the instructions for the download, and then what will happen is that it will be downloaded onto your PC, your laptop, or your pad, iPad, whatever you're using, and then it will look like this when it's downloaded. So when it's downloaded, it should look like this. You'll see XM, and this is Euro USD 1 hour candles. So you can see these are 1 hour candles. To see these as candles, you need to expand it. There we go, we've expanded it. We can change the colors on here. Right click on there, go down to properties at the bottom, and then you can dive into, you can change the chart foreground. You can change the type of chart. We'll keep it on candlesticks, and we're going to then go to colors. Yeah, so with colors we can now go to, we've got this green candle going up here. We can say bar up, which is already lime, but we can, which is the bull candle. Again, bull and bear. Bull is for up and bear is for down. Bull is for the buy-in and bear is for the sell-in. That's another terminology, which is, yesterday we looked at bid and ask, and now we've got bear and bull. They both mean the same thing. The bulls are buying and the bears are selling. So now we look at the bull candle, which is the up candle, the green candle. We want to turn that into a green candle because the inside of the candle is black. We want to change that to green. So we can just hit a green there, and then there it is. You can see it's changed to green. And if we want to change these down bars now, we look for the bear, which is white at the moment. Click on the drop down box, change that to red, and we can now see we've got the greens for going up, reds for coming down. Okay, so we've done that. We can press OK. If we don't like the squares on there on the background, we can go to properties again, and we look for background. We can change the background color if you want, but we've got this thing called grid. So we can click on grid, and we can say none, and it disappears. I don't like having grids, so we'll leave that like that. So that's how you customize the chart. And when it comes to the time, so you can click on, when you're using the chart, you'll see it's got a little an accent, a color accent. So you see this one is the one that's live, and these ones are not. They're not the ones we're using. The chart is not live at this moment. We'll get to that in a second. So now, guys, now we've customized our chart. This is the red line we talked about yesterday, which is a moving average. We won't worry about that today. Tomorrow we will, and we'll do some awesome stuff tomorrow. So this is a Euro USD, which means that we're using the euro and we're buying the euro or we're selling the euro against the US dollar. So it's a euro against the dollar. This one is the US dollar against the Swiss franc, and we got the GB pound against the US dollar. This USD JPY is the yen, Japanese yen, so it's a US dollar versus a Japanese yen. Remember, if we want to, this is a bar chart, it's got bars instead of candles, but you can always go into properties and change them to candlesticks. Again, remember, we enlarging it by clicking onto the bottom of the chart where we've got the date and just scrolling to our left or right. We can move the chart by just clicking on the blank space and moving it this way. There are also some fancy stuff up here you can play around with that will move the chart, things called chart shift and so forth. Now, quickly moving on, we're going to learn how to make the chart live. So now we're going to go back to our email that we got, and we should now have another email that should tell us that we have, here we go, I'll show you my email. I did it so you can see what's happening here. So I've got this email and it's telling me, thank you for choosing XM. My MT5 ID is this number here, and I'm going to log on to the XM UK server, MT5 server. Make sure you remember these. You can copy and paste those so that you can get your stuff to be live. You can also download the platform from the emails that come in. So if you don't find the right spot on the, if you don't find this page, you can also get it from the email they send to you. So now log into your demo account and start trading. Tomorrow we will start trading. Right, guys. Now what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can quickly have a look at how we can put those details in. Right, so click onto File, and when you click onto File, you should see Log into Trade Account. Yeah, so click Log into Trade Account. You'll see the login details here. The password you created when you were signing up is a password to put in here where it says password. So you can go, I'll just bang mine in a minute. Alright, so I've banged my passport in. I've got the right server. We're going to look here just to confirm the server is XMUK-MT5. XMUK-MT5, we've got the right server. I'm now going to copy and paste my MT5 ID, which I got in that email, and we're going to paste that in there, and we're going to click OK. And there you go, you can hear she's live. Okay, now if we want to expand the chart so we can see it as a larger chart, just click this button here and that will enlarge our chart. It will be even bigger when you expand to a full page. At the moment I've made it small so you can see on the on the video, but you can see the candles moving here. If I make this a smaller time frame, you'll actually see the candle move much faster. So let's see if I can figure out this time frame thing quickly. I'm going to just take a shortcut to do the time frame. So view in time frame. So you can go like that, and we can change that to 1 minute and get this 1 minute chart. So now this is these are 1 minute candles now. We discussed the candles yesterday. And there we go. You can see that candle moving there. That's a current price here. And the candle is moving when the price changes. There she goes. She just turned red. So guys, there you go. There you have it. That is the way to set this up. Tomorrow we'll dive straight into the moving average and some few strategies that we can use to start trading. See you tomorrow, day 3. Awesome. Go to the Facebook page and post the stuff on there that we need to post on. You'll see it in your email that you've received. Okay, guys? See you tomorrow. Have an awesome day.